Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to present the stage 1 of observation of my design thinking project, which is based on lesson planning. So for this, I thought about the situation at my workplace, in my school. So a lot has been said about how planning our lessons can be really useful when it comes to teach. So we have been taught that lesson planning should be done in order to avoid omissions and unnecessary repetition. So that's the main objective of lesson planning, to be prepared as teachers so we can deliver our lesson plans and our classes in an effective way. So I have focused on lesson planning and how is it done at my workplace. During a week, I've observed some situations that involve planning in education. So for this, I had a little notebook that I wrote on some notes. This notebook has some of the situations that I was able to observe during this week. Sometimes when we are in a classroom, we tend to improvise, and that's fine when it happens only one or twice, not always. So in lesson planning, we need to be aware and always count with a plan B, since our students sometimes become our best critics, and we don't want them to think that we are not prepared. So that's very, very important. So we count with our credibility as teachers. I work in a big school. We have preschool, elementary, junior, and high school. So there are 7 teachers, English teachers, and 1 coordinator. I work with bachilleratos, peritos, and secretariado. My school's name is Camino Verde, which is located in Villanueva in Guatemala. So today I had the chance to explain to my coordinator about this project and how to apply design thinking into this. We came up with several ideas and how it can help the school as well. First of all, having a reunion, a little one during break time with the other teachers. Second, compare ways of planning. At Camino Verde, we are requested to present a plan for a year per block and a journal. It is sometimes difficult having everyone to follow the same path. That is why at my school we follow a standard of curriculum, which is the CNB or Curriculum Nacional Básico. I have noticed that even though we have been working with that for several years, there are still lots of doubts when it comes to planning, especially in our area. This is where I want to focus on, to be able to find a solution that we have, and so we have a clear idea in our workplace about lesson planning. So it is important to point on that not all of the teachers are willing to participate. So for this project, I am going to work only with 4 teachers. Thank you very much for watching this.